This here is a quick demo video for Social Video Spark, the #1 Facebook organic video marketing and timeline ranking software. During this video, I'm going to show you how to add an intro, an outro, and a watermark to your videos, how to post them effectively across multiple Facebook profiles and pages, and how to gain an additional 65% more organic views using Social Video Spark along with the Facebook native player. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I want to dive into is our posting center. Now you're going to see here that we have auto post settings, the auto post settings groups, my post, post history, the posting queue, and the social profiles. So quickly jumping in here, let's go ahead and click on the auto post settings. And from here, we're going to notice that we have a watermark option. We can set up our different watermarks that we have. And the first thing that you're going to notice on the left-hand side is we can upload a watermark for our videos. On the right-hand side, we have the call to action settings. And then below that, we have the intro video and the outro video. So scrolling back up here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload the watermark that I would like to apply to my videos. So scrolling back up here, I'm going to go ahead and upload the watermark that I would like to apply to my videos. And once I have that uploaded, which I just uploaded the Social Video Spark logo, we can choose where we would like to place this watermark. We have the bottom right, the bottom left, the top right, the top left, and the center. So I'm going to leave mine on the bottom right. And now we have the call to action settings. So for the action type, we have shop now, book travel, learn more, sign up, download, or watch more. I'm going to choose download for this one here. For the URL link, you want to include your domain name or wherever you would like to redirect the visitors. So I'm just going to enter mywebsite.com, and then we have some caption text and a click to call number that you can add as well into your call to action. Scrolling down a little bit more here, we have the option to include an intro video and an outro video. Now this is obviously going to be applied to the beginning of your video and to the end of your video. Now you can choose to not use one or the other. You can upload your own intro or outro video, or we have some ready to go videos already uploaded inside of the software. And if we click on one of these, then it will start playing and we can see exactly what that looks like. So I'm going to close out of this here, and I'm just going to go ahead and select two of these for this example. Same thing for my outro. I'm going to choose another one here that matches the same style as my intro, and I'm going to click on Save Settings. And just like that, we now have our automated post settings configured. Now what I want to do is I'm going to head over here and I'm going to upload a video. Now under our video studio that we have here, we have Manage My Videos. We can create a brand new video right here inside of the software. We can use YouTube to import videos or download additional videos. We can use the Periscope downloader to download videos from Periscope. We can upload our own video from our computer. And we have the option to do a quick video. Now the first thing that I want to show you really quick is the Manage My Videos, and this here is going to be a list of all the different videos that you have uploaded to the software. And from here you can see that we can post this to Facebook, we can download it, or we can edit the video. But really quick, I want to go ahead and I want to import a brand new video using the YouTube downloader. So once we load this up, I can either paste the URL of a YouTube video here and load it into the software. And if you do that, you just want to make sure that it has the Creative Commons license applied to that video. If you aren't sure or you don't feel like looking for a video that has that license, then what you can do is you can use the search box over here and enter your keyword, and the software will automatically search for videos that have the Creative Commons license applied to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my main keyword, which is the new iPhone 6. And once I have that, I'm going to click on search. And now the software, it's going to go out. It's going to give me all these different videos that I can use and import into the software. So I'm just going to use the first one here. I'm going to click on load video. And now from here, we can either load the entire video or we can choose different spots of the video to load. Like for example, I can start downloading from 30 seconds in, and then I can stop after, 45 seconds and only download 15 seconds of that video. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. So once I punch those numbers in there, we're going to be downloading from the 30-second mark up to the 45-second mark, giving me a 15-second video. Now for the intro, outro watermark, I can drop this down and I can select my default auto post settings, which I just configured, and that's going to automatically apply that watermark, the intro, and the outro to this video. So I'm just going to click on load video now, and now we can see that that video is being processed. So we're going to hang tight for just 1 second while the software uploads that video for us, and then I'm going to show you how to share that across your Facebook profiles. Alright, and once the software is done uploading your video, you can see from the thumbnail that you're going to see my intro that I chose has already been applied to it. Now if we click on this, it's going to open up, it's going to start playing. You're going to see my intro has automatically been applied. If I skip forward here, you're going to see our watermark is down here in the bottom right hand corner. And then when I skip ahead more, we have the outro as well. So all of that was automatically applied to our video. And now what I can do is I can click on post to Facebook, and we have some information to fill out here. We have the title for this video, the description, the post status message, the call to action button, the destination URL, and the call to action caption. Once we have all of this information configured, I'm going to click on select profiles, and now we need to choose which profile or fan page that you would like to apply this video to and post it to. So I'm just going to choose my PLR Video King fan page, just like that. You can select just one, or you can select many. I'm just going to select that one, and I'm going to click on click here to do the post. And from here, as you can see, our video has been queued up, and it will be posted within 5 to 10 minutes. And once a few minutes have passed, we're going to jump over here to my Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this, and we can see that the video has been posted to my fan page. We have my post status message that I included. We can see my watermark is here. And if we click on play, we can see the intro starts playing, and then the video, and then we have our outro. And I'm just going to go ahead and let this load up really quick so we can see what our outro looks like. And we can see that we have our call to action, the download, and then the click here, which is what I inserted into the software. And when they click this, they're going to be redirected to my website or the URL that I entered into my settings. Now, something else that we can do with our auto post settings is sometimes you would like to use different intros and different outros, and we can set up different groups for that information. So I'm going to go to my auto post settings groups. I'm going to click on create a new settings group. And from here, we have the same information that we had previously. We can enter a watermark, our call to action information, an intro video, and an outro video. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly select some information really quick here. Choose my website. I am not going to use a watermark, and I am going to choose a default intro and an outro that I would like to use. And I'm going to scroll up here, and we need to give this a name. So I'm just going to use iPhone, for example. Scroll down, click on Save Settings, and then I'm going to click on Social Profiles. Now from here, we can choose which pages or profiles or groups that we would like to post these videos to once I use this selected individual group, okay? So I'm just going to choose my 2 demo pages that I have here, my How to Lose Weight and the Instant Builder demo page that I have. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to save these settings. Now the important thing here is the iPhone code. And now what we can do with this, if I head back over here to Facebook, and let's say that I wanted to upload a video to my Facebook profile. So I'm going to select my photo here to be uploaded, and now in my description, I would go ahead and I would type out my description, and then when I'm done, I would make sure that I include the asterisk and then my code word, which is iPhone. So when I type this in at the end of my description or at the beginning of my description, and I click on publish, Facebook is now going to upload that video to my profile, and then once it does that, the software is going to grab that video. It's going to apply the intro, the outro, the call to action, and the watermark that I selected to that video, and it's going to post it on the different social profiles that I selected here. So in my case, it'd be these 2 fan pages here and my PLR fan page. It's going to automatically grab that video and then repost it with the information that I set up with this profile. So we can set up different profiles that contain different intros, outros, call to actions, and watermarks. And then we can simply use the code that we have here, and it'd be asterisk and then that code on any video that we upload, and it's going to automatically apply those settings to that video. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh my page here. We can see the video has been posted with our code name here, and you can also see the video has started to autoplay, which is why Facebook native videos are the way to go, and that's how you're going to receive 65% increased organic views, because these videos will autoplay on mobile devices and YouTube videos will not. And now if we jump back over here to our software, and I'm going to go to the posting center and then go to the posting queue, we can see that video has been picked up by the software. We can see it's rendering right now, and once that's finished, like I said, it will automatically apply the intro, the outro, the call to action information, and it will apply it to the other profile pages and the fan pages that I selected in my group settings. So that's how simple it is to use Social Video Spark, and now you can easily see why this is the #1 Facebook organic video marketing and timeline ranking software.